Hey everyone, we'd like to take a few minutes to show you our new three-place wash sink with the hand wash sink. Okay, we're gonna start at the top. Okay, here's our three sinks. See, they're 10 inches deep. I think they're like 16 inches wide. Very large sinks, so that way you can put several utensils in there. They're not like the little Cambro ones that you see a lot of the concessions companies out there selling. 1.5 inch square tube, aluminum, 1/8 inch thick, TIG welded frame. Very solid, not none of that composite fencing that you see that some other companies are out there using nowadays. Diamond plate finish all the way around. We do the half finish here, covers it up, makes it look cleaner. As we go down, you see we got our water pump and everything. We got a switch here to turn on and off our water pump, because what happens is the pump runs off of pressure. So when your tank runs empty, your pump will continue to run. So you have a switch there just to turn it on and off, and when you're transporting it, you can shut it off. And you don't have to worry about water, your pump kicking on while it's sitting in your trailer. So we're going to come over here. First, we're going to go ahead and take these out. So your propane tank will sit right here while you're transporting. You pull it out. Okay. We use an instant hot water heater. It runs off 2 D-size batteries, so no external power is necessary because it does run off the propane. And then the pump runs off a 12-volt battery. I just have this big car battery because it's all we had here in the shop. But we can show you a small lawnmower battery or a small motorcycle battery to run this. It's a 10 amp motor. It is a FlowJet motor, pump, which is not motor, pump, which is a very good pump. Really, good name brand pump. They use these in RVs and different things like that. So it's 10 amp. We do have a fuse located inside of the disconnect box. This is so that way you can take the battery off and the stuff if you need to, and you have a nice clean connection right here. So you just simply plug it in right here. We provide you with this cord, by the way. Okay, we use PEX pipe on all the pressure side. It's the same stuff that you use in like houses and things, so it's very sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. We do insulate the hot water heater, the hot water side, to help keep the water in the pipe a little bit hotter, longer, so that way you can when you turn it on, you're not waiting as long for hot water to get up to the tank. We use all of our drains, so it's drain down into our tanks. Our tanks are an 8 gallon clean or fresh water and a 10 gallon gray, which is 20% larger, which is what most health departments require for overflow reasons. Okay, you have the inspection ports. I just left this one open so we can pull it off. Look down the side. This is where you can fill it with a hose, like a drinking water approved hose. This one over here is another inspection port. You can open it up. You can open up the drain valve on the side here to wash out your tank. And that's your gray water. As you can see, all the sinks flow down. It's on a grade, flows down into the 10 gallon tank. Okay, and then you just lock it into place. So we'll turn this on, and if you come up here, we'll show you how the water works. So you kick it on. Okay, you fill your sinks up. And also, when you turn on the hot water, you can actually hear this. You can actually hear the striker for the hot water heater trying to kick on. Okay, and then you got your sink here for your hand wash. Health department requires splash shield between the wash area and your hand wash area. We provide you with a paper towel rack on the side there. If you come around here to the back, you'll see it's all diamond plate finish. We do have a vent set in here for the hot water heater vent, so all the heat doesn't accumulate inside the cabin. Now these are the casters we use. These are really nice casters. When they're unlocked, you can see they spin freely. They roll, but when you lock them, they're locked in place. They don't roll, they don't spin, so this whole entire cart becomes very, very stable. Okay. But that's about it. This is should pass any health department that comes to look at it. There should be no questions. Should fly right through. This is based on our design of our ingredient cart, which passed Maricopa County, Arizona health department specifications. And if anybody knows, Maricopa County is intense. So this should walk through any health department inspection you come up on. So we thank you looking. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to call us. Just call the number on the site or send us an email, okay? Thank you.